We're back out here in the Nelly paddock, seeing harvest. We've only got about 50 odd hectares left to go. Dad and the older sister, they've filled up the chase bin, filled up the field bins. We've got to wait for Jimbo to empty the field bins into his truck. And the problem is, the head has got a full grain tank, chase bin's full, field bins are full, so we need to wait for the truck to empty the field bins so I can empty that into the field bins, so we can empty the grain in the grain tank in the header into the chase bin. But the problem with all that is the header's got a flippin' flat tyre. I find it kind of ironic that where the header is over there, it's in lucky field 13. How ironic is that? The same piece, I got the tractor stuck with the Kelly chain. The header's got a flat tyre. It's got quite a length. It's pretty flat. Where it's bubbling.
Very slowly.
Now, if only we had some form of, what do you call it? Duct tape or something? Yes, finally. Alright, so slight change of plan. Instead of going to plug the tyre up on the header so we can get that going, Jim got the truck stuck, and Dad's using Little Red. We're going to use a chain, and we're going to see if Little Red can tow the truck so that the truck can get some movement. Come on, Little Red, you can do it. Yes, look at that. Look at that. And they say case tractors are unreliable. Look at Little Red go. Look at him go. That's quite some amazing thing there. Look at that. Look at Little Red go. He's doing it, boys. He's doing it. You don't need a big four-wheel drive to get a truck moving. Little Red's all we need. Now, obviously I would get some people in the audience going, "The Johnny man, why do we get they'd ask us, why would we need to get someone like Jim, who comes and carts our grain with contractors, trucks and stuff, when we've got the Uncle Ken? Surely that would be enough." Well, see, that's the thing. The Uncle Ken is old. He's going on 43 next year, and it can only haul 40 tonne. Now, with the chase bin being 25 tonne, 2 loads out of the chase bin would be 50 tonne, and that would mean there'd be 10 tonne left over in the chase bin. And we can't really find any proper Kenworth drivers in our area anymore. Besides the fact that Dad can't really find the workers to come and drive the header, because he's got me driving the chase bin, and then we'd need another person to drive the truck. And also because the truck is small, that combined with the Uncle Alan trailer, which only adds, 20 tonne or something, the Uncle Ken is now very small compared to other trucks. And that's the reason why we get Jim to come with either his MAN truck or one of another contractor's Western Star, which is what he's using right now. And as you can see here, a big trailer like on Jim's Western Star here, but this single trailer right here would be the exact same capacity as what the Uncle Ken can carry. Trailers have only gotten bigger and the road train's larger. The Uncle Ken, its grain hauling days are over, so it's just a seed and super truck. How you feeling after that, little Red? Alright, now Jim's on the way. We can get back to what we were doing before, which was plugging the header tyre. Rightio. So we're out here at the field bin site finally, and as you can see, field bin 1 over here, that's pretty much full. You can't really see from the top here, but it's definitely got quite a lot of wheat in that. Then you got field bin number 2 here, that's also full, and now we've got field bin number 4 just around here, which Dad is setting up now. Right, so over here is field 13. That's where we were replacing the tyre on the 9760 yesterday. Over there is field number 22. We've got a bit left to do in that. Then we're going to do field 21 and field 20 left to go before wheat harvest is done. Then we're going to go over to field number 9, depending what's there, depending if the sheep have gone in there or not. Excuse the bangs. And we're probably going to get a box full or 2 of oats. And then this will probably be one of the final videos on Nelly Creek for 2021. And like regular use, of course. There's still got to be the special documentary videos that I'm working on. Of course, there's the music video of the farm, like tribute video, put together with all this footage that I've captured over the year. That's coming, and that's going to be coming sometime around Christmas, so stay tuned to that. And then this coming Tuesday in recording, by the time you see this, we'll probably have already gone down there. We're going to head down to our new farm down south of here, still north of Perth. We're going to head down to our new farm, and Dad's going to show me around the place, and we're going to see what needs to be done and what we need to do in order to make that new stuff happen. It's very exciting. Very exciting. Okay, so what I'm doing now is we're closing the lids to the field bins because the birds are scratching the grain out. So, to quote DJ Go Ham, get out of here, birds! Yeah, they've been scratching the grain out and eating it yesterday. I think that's part of the pile they left. So, we're just shutting up the bins here, shutting the lids to the bins so they can't get any more. Oh, really annoying. Yeah, you can see that great big massive pile that fell out of there. So we're probably gonna have to shovel that up later. Bring the loader out here. Ugh. Even then more grains flying out. But yeah. Right. That's all the field bins shut. Right, so Dad's gonna go cut a little hole for me to park the chase bin down there in field number 21. Then we're gonna come back, finish off field 22 here, go round and round till we get a box full. Then just knock these pieces out and then harvest will be finished. We'll go stick what's left in the chase bin into field bin number 4 and go from there. I reckon what we'll do now, right, so oh, we've landed in the header. Dad and I have been harvesting in the header for about I don't know how long, because we weren't really keeping track of time. The grain tank's full as I'm trying to zoom it in. Yeah, you can see there, that green light there, grain tank's full. You can see back there, grain tank's full. You can see up in the hopper in the rear view mirror, it's getting pretty full. So we'll probably come unload here in a little bit, and depending what happens, I'll probably be put back in the tractor again. Dumping. There is wheat dust flying everywhere, and as you can see, the grain is going down. I'm not sure if you can see that up there or not, but that is what we're looking at in the rear view mirror. Engaging pressure, engaging header front, and off we go. And it appears that the yield monitor's lucky numbers of today are in the 0 point insert number here. And there we have it, field 21's done. Now we're just going to knock over that piece, and then hopefully we'll have enough space left in the field bins and the chase bin. Then that'll be it. The final crop done. I shook the grain tank, so now the hopper looks like it's full when it's not actually. So we're going to go unload. Dad and I are going to run the chase bin over to the field bins, and then we'll go from there. guy's just trying to get as much grain into the field bin as he can. He's more experienced with the chase bin than I am and knows how to line them up properly. So he's unloading into field bin number 2. Hopefully we can get as much out of the chase bin as possible, so we'll still have something left over when it comes to finishing harvest. Around the last corner. Last little bit. And I do believe that is wheat harvest 2021 and the final harvest on Nelly Creek finished. We did it. We made it to the end. And there we have it. It's over. Harvest is done. GoPro's going flat. So, look, thanks everyone for watching. If you made it this far, please do give the video a like. And at this point I was going to go on this great big ramble, but my GoPro went flat, so I'll just end this video here. Thanks for watching everyone, and see you next time.